got Chef Alex with me,
Hello.
and we're going to do a video on homemade mac and cheese. Not the healthiest thing on the menu today, but something quick, easy, and much better than buying crap dinner. Justin, this is for you, brother. I hope you learned something today. And please hit that like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back soon. Welcome back. So I'm just going to do something really quick here. It's $3 for a box of crab dinner right at the moment. I can get no name for $1.79, or I can get the really crap stuff over there, which is the piece no name for $1.29. It's so.
And look at this, you can get 4 of these for $7.49. It's a ripoff.
Yeah, and I'm sorry, but I'm probably going to need all 4 for one meal. So we'll be back. Welcome back. So we got Amy with us now. Say hi, Amy.
Hi.
She's full and ready to do some jumping jacks today, but we'll save that. So here I got a pan in here full of noodles. I'm not gonna do a video on how to cook noodles. Put some water in, put your noodles in, follow package directions. Not a hard thing. Here I got a pan and we've got some a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then I've got some butter in here, a stick of butter, and we're gonna let this melt down before we do anything else.
And this will be the roux.
Yeah, we're making a little bit of a roux. Amy's gonna kill me because we're gonna have to make more milk today,
Yeah.
but that's fine.
But this will go to good use.
Oh, it is, definitely is. Now, I know it seems like I'm picking on Justin. Alejandro, get off my tables.
Come on.
One of my cats decides he just wants to be a jerk today. I know it seems like I'm picking on Justin, but this really isn't the case, and I'm going to tell you why. If you're not somebody that's used to cooking, I totally understand that a lot of people are going to have a little hesitation because they're a little afraid to do that. But you know what? You shouldn't be afraid. It's not that hard. It's not that big of a deal. Making a little bit of making your food is easy. Now, like I demonstrated, it's about $3, $3 or $4 to get a box of crab dinner.
And that's one box.
That's just one box. This is going to be enough to actually be filling for everybody. This should actually be really, really good for literally everybody.
And it'll last quite a few days too.
Yeah.
This was just Amy and I eating. This would last quite a little while. Now you can soup this up a little bit more. You can get some sausages. If you absolutely wanted to, you could put hot dogs in this.
Yeah.
You get some chicken.
Chicken, yeah. We're
Anything.
not going to put any meat in this today. This is going to be plain and simple. Now, some of the optional ingredients that we're going to use, we're going to put a little bit of hoisin sauce.
And that's just going to add some extra flavor.
Yeah. You're going to put about this much flour. And Amy's going to empty the noodles here in a second.
Drain them, you mean, not
So
empty.
drain them, yes. So I'm just going to take the flour and we're going to stir this in. And I believe Amy's already stirred the milk for us.
Yeah.
We're using homemade oat milk. So unfortunately, one of the major issues that you have with oat milk is the fact that it likes to clump a little bit out the bottom, but it's not a big deal. All you have to do is stir it. So I'm going to put the milk in here.
Or should I put this back there?
Yeah, you can do that. So I'm going to stir their milk here a bit, and you know what? I'm wanting a little bit more.
No.
And we do have more.
Yeah, we do.
Just going to give this a quick little stir here. Now, if you don't have an oat milk maker, a nut milk maker, anything like that, you don't have to have one. You can just buy some milk. if you're in the market for one, I'm telling you, I absolutely love this a lot. It's one of my favorite things that we have. It works wonderful. And I'm telling you that I absolutely love this. All right, that's stirred in. Now, we got one block of Velveeta. Now, is this the best cheese in the world? No, it's not. But for the sake of making quick and easy
Mac and
cheese, this will do the job. Is this the healthiest in the world? Not really, but it is what it is. That's what we're doing.
It is healthier than Kraft Dinner.
Oh,
It's
easily.
way better. You're gonna add a little bit of pepper, and this is something else that you can do on your own and make it your own. I'm putting my spices in that I like. Does that mean that you have to? No. Amy, could you do me a favor and could you find the mustard powder, please? I usually have this all planned out and everything first, but I forgot today. That's the one
Oh,
thing.
right here.
Perfect.
That was easy.
I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of onion powder. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon of mustard powder. You can get mustard seeds if you want.
Or you can use actual mustard.
Yep.
But using mustard powder is probably better.
Shouldn't be too much difference.
And what's that, garlic powder?
And this is garlic powder. Going to need some more soon anyways. Because we use this a lot.
Yeah, we do.
And we're just going to stir this around because we don't want anything to clump, but we want to get the cheese melted. And to be honest with you, I would start by cooking the noodles, and then I would, on a different pot part, and I would start with this. It should take about 10 minutes, give or take. I might be off a little bit, but you want to be constantly watching this because, unfortunately, this can burn.
Are you putting pepper in it too?
Already did.
Oh, I missed that.
You did. Bad girl. But you want to make sure that you're constantly stirring.
So it doesn't burn.
It doesn't burn. You need to mix this, and you want the cheese to melt down. And now another thing you can do too, though it will cost you more, is another two types of cheese. Gouda. What else do you think, Alex?
Maybe Havarti.
Yeah.
Maybe Monterey Jack.
So you can add whatever type of cheese that you want.
Would nacho be good in it?
Absolutely. You can make nacho. Now, with that, I might think to add, I don't know, make some taco chicken. Barbecue some chicken up. Nice spice, barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah, that would taste good actually.
It tastes really good.
Yeah.
Is this even on? Yes.
Yeah, it should be.
I haven't used this burner in a while, so I just want to make sure.
I have the same problem with one of my burners.
Now I'm going to add some hoisin sauce in here. It's one of my favorite sauces, and I say that about a lot of things.
I think I have some hoisin sauce too at my place.
It's always good to have.
Yeah.
I'm going to stir this around here. This doesn't take long. All you want to do is melt the cheese down. That's really all we're doing. We don't want any big clumps of cheese.
No.
It's not going to taste good. It's really not. And we can find out, you know what, this isn't, this is not enough noodles. Well,
You make more.
just make more.
But I think we're good. Right?
Yeah, you know what? I probably will want a little bit more, but we'll see.
All right.
I paid about $10 for the cheese, and I think $2 for the
bag of noodles.
the bag of noodles.
So about $12 in total.
Yeah. Now, at the end of the day, what do you think is going to be better?
Homemade.
Homemade.
Easily.
So while we're waiting for this, I want you to hit the like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. Amy smiles when you do it. She really smiles. She giggles. She gets really happy when she sees them. I swear to God, she'll jump out of bed and she'll do jumping back jacks.
No.
She will. And she's super excited. I like seeing my wife happy. Do you like seeing my wife happy? Hit
Yes.
that like, share, subscribe button, please. Please, please, please. Amy told me she really wants to do a jumping jack for everybody because you've been so good to us.
No.
And she appreciates it.
If you do it with me.
I will.
You won't.
I will. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Go. You didn't do one.
You did half of one.
I did have one, that counts. Now you'll notice because we made the roux with a little bit of flour,
It's gonna be thicker.
it's going to be a little thicker, and I like thick. If you don't like thick and you want it to be a little runny, that's fine, that's no problem. Just don't add the flour. Now with the noodles, we chose this type of noodle because basically it's going to help the cheese sauce cling to it. Now Amy is going to be making a little bit more noodles because there's going to be more sauce than it's needed for this. But we don't have to worry about it this second.
No.
No. But we really do appreciate you guys. We really honestly do. Just really want you to know how easy this is. Even Alex, when Alex wants crap dinner, he knows better than to waste his money on crap dinner.
Yeah.
Mom and Dad, I want you to know that your son's being responsible and smart. He doesn't waste his money on that garbage. He makes something fresh. And I'll tell you, Alex would do some jumping jacks, but he's holding the camera right now, so he won't.
Yeah, unless you want a shaky camera, I'm not gonna do jumping jacks right now.
But see how thick this is? How creamy this is?
That's gonna be really good.
Yeah.
The only thing that would have made this better is just different cheeses. That's it.
Yeah.
And when you're making this yourself, I promise you it's just gonna be so much better. Crap dinner is just crap dinner. The noodles are the lowest grade. The cheese isn't even really cheese.
It's a powder.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
So I'll make more noodles and then we mix that.
Yeah.
All right.
So how's this look, Alex?
That looks really good.
It looks amazing.
It does. And you honestly don't want to rinse noodles either because the starch on the noodles helps bind the cheese sauce. Now, we had our buddy make this earlier today and he was showing us what he made and it looked really good, but to me the only real problem is that it was, it basically just, what do I want to say here? It was swimming. It was just.
Oh,
You know what I
okay.
mean, I'm not saying it's bad. It's not. It's actually really good.
So he probably didn't use enough flour.
Nah, he put too much.
He used too much sauce.
He used way too much sauce. No, that's
Okay.
what you like. I can dump the rest of the sauce in here and you'd be eating more cheese sauce noodles. That's
No.
my thing, but we don't want to do that.
I just like a light sauce.
Yeah, to me, this is perfect. Amy's going to make the rest of the noodles here in a few
Yeah.
minutes. Scoop out a thing here.
It smells really good too.
Yeah, it does. And that's the thing about making it yourself. You can put your own spices in. You want meat, you can put meat in. Not a big deal. And because we're using good quality noodles,
Yeah.
it's gonna be way better. Now, how's that look, guys?
Really, really good.
That looks really good.
It looks amazing, and it's gonna taste amazing.
Yeah.
So, guys, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. like I said, one click from you is just, it's quick and easy, but for us it means a lot. It shows other people that we exist, and hopefully somebody else will like it. So you have a great day. Until next time, please make cooking great again.